My name is Sandra from Divery. Today I'd like to show you how to specify the calendar objects to your dive center and to the dive sites you are offering. This time I'm explaining you the last part from the resources, the calendar objects. Here you have two things, equipment and location. Equipment can be a different kind of tanks or also a boat. Also here, again, same system like with the products before. Just typing in a name, putting a stock, and then at the end, save it. The same is then also valid for the locations which you are offering. Also here, let's put a new one inside, like House Reef. And if you know the latitude or longitude or the coordinates, just put them here also inside. If you're using or later or already the ESA module, which Divery is also offering, then you have already the pin of the exact data on the map. Clicking here next, you can describe anything as well, and via drag and drop for sure also a picture inside, and save it. So now you have already the new one inside. I'm going to show you. Here we go. There it is. So, and this I'm going to show you the next time for what you can use this at the calendar and to put in a new dive trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will follow up here. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, or you can have a look also on our social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.